Welcome students. Subject Max 2 Standard 9th. Chapter number 1 Basic Concepts in Geometry. Practice set 1.1. Practice set 1.1. Question number 2. If the coordinate of A is x and that of B is y, find distance of A and B. Question number 1. X is equal to 1, y is equal to 7. Solution. The coordinate of point A is 1. The coordinate of point B is 7. 7 is greater than 1. Therefore, distance of A and B is equal to greater coordinate minus smaller coordinate. Distance of A and B is equal to 7 minus 1 is equal to 6. Therefore, distance of A and B is equal to 6 units. Question number 2. X is equal to 6. Y is equal to minus 2. Solution. The coordinate of point A is 6. The coordinate of point B is minus 2. 6 is greater than minus 2. Distance of A and B is equal to greater coordinate minus smaller coordinate. Distance of A and B is equal to 6 minus 2, that is equal to 6 plus 2, that is equal to 8. Therefore, distance of A and B is equal to 8 units. X is equal to minus 4, y is equal to minus 5. Solution. The coordinate of point A is minus 4. The coordinate of point B is minus 5. Minus 4 is greater than minus 5. Distance of A and B is equal to greater coordinate minus smaller coordinate. Distance of A and B is equal to minus 4 minus in bracket minus 5 is equal to minus 4 plus 5. Minus into minus, it's become plus. So, minus 4 plus 5 is equal to 1. Therefore, distance of A and B is equal to 1 unit is the answer. Question number 3. From the information given below, find which of the point is between the other two. If the points are not collinear, state so. Distance of P and R is equal to 7. Distance of P and Q is equal to 10. Distance of Q and R is equal to 3. Solution. Distance of P and R is equal to 7. Distance of P and Q is equal to 10. Distance of Q and R is equal to 3 given in the question. Now, distance of P and Q is equal to 10. Mark it as equation 1. Distance of PR plus distance of Q and R is equal to 7 plus 3. Therefore, distance of P and R plus distance of Q and R is equal to 10. Mark it as equation 2. From 1 and 2, distance of P and Q is equal to distance of P and R plus distance of Q and R. Therefore, point P and R and Q are collinear. Point R lies between point P and Q. Therefore, P dash R dash Q. Now the second question, distance of R and S is equal to 8, distance of S and T is equal to 6, distance of R and T is equal to 4. Solution, distance of R and S is equal to 8, mark it as equation 1. Distance of S and T plus distance of R and T is equal to 6 plus 4 is equal to 10. Distance of S and T plus distance of R and T is equal to 10. Mark it as equation 2. Therefore, distance of R and S is not equal to distance of S and T plus distance of R and T from 1 and 2. Therefore, point P and Q and R are non-collinear points. Therefore, relation of between us does not exist between the points R, S and T. Question number 4. On a number line, point A, B and C are such that distance of A and C is equal to 10, distance of C and B is equal to 8. Find distance of A and B considering all possibilities. Solution. In case 1, A dash B dash C. Therefore, distance of A and C is equal to distance of A and B plus distance of B and C. So, distance of A and C they given 10. That is equal to distance of AB plus 8. Therefore, distance of AB is equal to 10 minus 8. Therefore, distance of AB is equal to 10 minus 8 is equal to 2. Therefore, distance of AB is equal to 2 units. Now, we will go through the case 2. Now, A dash C dash B. Therefore, distance of AB is equal to distance of A and C plus distance of C and B. Therefore, distance of A and B is equal to 10 plus 8. Therefore, distance of A and B is equal to 10 plus 8, we will get 18. Therefore, distance of AB is equal to 18 units. Now, we go through the case 3. Now, B dash A dash C. Therefore, this distance of B and C is equal to distance of A and B plus distance of A and C. Distance of B and C we know 8 they given, that is equal to distance of A and B plus 10. Therefore, distance of A and B is equal to 8 minus 10, that is equal to minus 2 units. Now, the distance between two points cannot be negative. Therefore, B dash A dash C is not possible. Therefore, distance of A and B is equal to 2 units, or distance of A and B is equal to 18 units is the answer. Question number 6. Sketch proper figure and write the answers of the following question. Question number 1. They given A dash B dash C and length of AC is equal to 11, length of BC is equal to 6.5, then length of AB is equal to question. Now, first we draw the figure. Look at the figure. Now, length of AC is equal to how much given? 11. So, length of AC is equal to length of AB plus length of BC. Therefore, 11 is equal to length of AB plus 6.5. Therefore, 11 minus 6.5 is equal to length of AB. So, when you minus, we will get 4.5. Therefore, length of AB is equal to 4.5 units is the answer. Next question. If x dash y dash z and length of xz is equal to 3 root 7 and length of xy is equal to root 7, then length of yz is equal to question mark. Now we will draw the figure. Look at the figure. Length of xz is equal to length of xy plus length of yz. Already we know length of xz is given 3 root 7 is equal to length of xy is equal to 7 given. We have to find out length of yz. Therefore, 3 root 7 is equal to root 7 plus length of yz. So, 3 root 7 minus root 7, we will get 2 root 7. So, 2 root 7 is equal to length of yz. Therefore, length of yz is equal to 2 root 7 units is the answer. Question number 7. Which figure is formed by 3 non-collinear points? Look at the figure. A triangle is formed by joining 3 non-collinear points. Here, point A, B and C are 3 non-collinear points. Thank you.